since we're not cooking rice right now, we'll just put that right back. I've been waiting to set them up with you guys. Hey guys, happy spring. And since it is spring, it is one of my favorite things to do, which is spring cleaning. Because if it has a space, I will put it back. But if it doesn't have a space, chaos can ensue. And we cannot have that. So what we're gonna be doing today is I'm gonna show you how I'm setting up my kitchen and all the things that we're using to make it more organized and efficient. So let's get started. First, we got this dining set off of Target, and it comes with these beautiful white plates and the gold lining around it. Absolutely stunning. It also comes in these bowls and these smaller black plates. So you have like a really gorgeous combination. So what I'm doing is I'm setting up our plates in this upper cabinet here so that everything is at a high touch point so that it's easy to grab, being right close to the fridge and the stove. So when you're thinking about where to put your dishes, always put them in a cabinet that's easily accessible. Now get ready because I'm about to show you something that is truly mind-blowing. Okay, as you can tell, we've been using this a lot. And what you are looking at is a rice dispenser, and it makes it so easy to make ice and get the perfect amount that you want to put in your rice cooker, because there's nothing so annoying than having to lift up the heavy rice bag, dump it into the rice cooker, and then this just like poof, it just pops right out into the measuring, and then you can pour it right into the dispenser. So this has been game changer because we eat a lot of rice, and this just makes it super easy to organize and then also cook. And now what I have been super excited about setting up, but I've been waiting to set them up with you guys, are these glass canisters that are gorgeous for the pantry. And so we have these little stickers that we can put on them so that when they're in the pantry, they're very clean, very aesthetic, and then it's just really easy to see where everything is because you have these great little labels that explain what everything is. And then the little bamboo wood looking tops with the rubber around the edges give a nice seal, and just a really modern, organic home design look, even in your pantry. Okay, let's start with a very common one, which is pasta. Okay, here's coffee beans. So satisfying putting these on. Okay, you guys, buckle your seatbelts on this one because this is a find that I'm super excited about for organizing in our fridge. So we love some stick butter in our household. You know, I'm a Southern person, so we love some butter. And I find so much friction, and so does my husband, when it comes to getting just like a cut of butter. Like you wanna put it on a piece of toast in the morning, then you gotta get a knife out and you gotta cut it. And so this right here is a place to store your butter, but then also it's gonna give you that ability to just have it pre-cut, because I'm gonna show you. So you wanna lay your butter in the center. Not in the center. You want to lay your butter on one of the ridges there. And then you want to lay your next stick of butter. One stick of butter now. If you know that reference, you know. If you don't, then you just don't know. I'm sorry. Okay, and then you're going to take your next stick of butter and you're going to lay it right there. Perfect. And then we're going to do a wonderful thing, which is go ahead and slice. And then just like that, you have some pre-cut butter ready to go into your fridge. What the heck? How long has that been open back there? Y'all didn't tell me? Gee willikers. Okay, the other thing that we are using in our refrigerator and in our pantry are these Lazy Susans, because the most annoying thing in your pantry and your fridge is that you can't see the stuff behind the stuff. You know, the stuff in the front. You can't see the stuff in the behind because of the stuff in the front. Well, this solves it all, so let me show you what I'm talking about here. Guys, we don't call this a Lazy Susan, we call this a lifesaver, because you can spin it around and it doesn't bump into anything. It's designed to Lazy Susan just in its own little spot. And so you can see what's on this side, then you can keep spinning it, and then you can see what's on this side. You can push it back, you can pull it forward. I'm telling you guys, this changed the game with condiments, because now I actually know what in the heck we got going on in the back of our fridge. Okay, so if you know what I mean, that is a fantastic find. And now onto this, we have moved away from the knives in the drawers and having like a little organizer for that to a wooden block sitting on our counter. Why? It's a high touch point, easily accessible, and also the wood knife block gives a beautiful modern organic home design touch, which is what we are focusing on creating in our home right now. And so this has everything. It has your dinner knives for steak. It has cutting knives. It is. You get a bread knife. And so all of these things, and I love the white handles, so beautiful. Okay, then we also have been using these salt and pepper grinders on our counter. They just twist on the back like so, and they're beautiful, they're white. Once again, another high touch point area being on the counter, but if it's gonna be on the counter, it's gotta be aesthetic. So this is the perfect thing to make it aesthetic and be in a high touch point area for quick cooking and using for garnishing your dishes. So definitely, look at them, they're so cute. La cucaracha, ah, 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 ah. You know, I never understood why they taught us that song in school, because it's basically cockroach in Spanish. Ew. Now we are talking placemats. So these are the placemats I'm using on our dining table, also on our countertops for when people are eating, so that it protects your counters, it protects your table, and also it has that beautiful organic woven look to them. Absolutely stunning. So it's beautiful for that modern organic home design look. I know I'm saying it a lot, but that's what we want. Why? Because that design feels very grounding. Description below, or you can go down to the caption to learn how you can get these products and shop away. It's a mixture of like Amazon and Wayfair, because those are the two places I love finding home products from. Definitely go and shop below. I don't like seeing my paper towels on the counter. So this is a great solution for that, is to attach it to the door underneath your sink. And so this is what it looks like. And it's just super simple to slide your paper towel onto the holder. And then next thing you know, you have a very easy access point to when you use the paper towel the most, is when you're washing your hands at the sink. So just grab it there, tear it off, and then boom, it's in a nice hidden spot. It's not taking up visibility space, cluttering up your counter, and still easily accessible, and it's right behind the stove too. So boom, boom, boom. You can just grab it right underneath the sink. It's safe. Things could not be better without a good phone case. I just got this one off of Amazon, and it is MagSafe approved. And it also comes with a screen protector to use, because, you know, a girl on a go cleaning her home needs to have a good phone case to protect it from all those drops. Easter would not be complete without a centerpiece, right? And this one's super easy to put together. So all you have to do is you start off with a cookbook. I love Joanna's cookbook because, you know, she's a Southern girl too. I'm a Southern girl, but she also has a lot of great international recipes because of her background of her family's being a biracial marriage. So this is a great cookbook. Got a lot of delicious recipes in here. So I start with that first. And then I like to take these Real Touch tulips. If you touch these, they feel real. Like they did a really good job making these tulip heads. And so tulips are just like the epitome of spring, right? So you just put these here, beautiful, beautiful. And then I have this marble pedestal bowl. And if you guys have been watching my videos long enough, you know that I use this pretty much everywhere, but that's because it's such a versatile design element. Like you can use it anywhere, your entryway, your kitchen counter, your coffee table, you can use on a bookshelf. So I'm constantly rearranging this and finding a new life for this pedestal bowl. And it just, I found, is one of my most versatile design pieces because you can use it in so many different ways. Now, wait for the cuteness factor because these bunnies are just so cute. Why are they so cute? I don't know, but they look like grass and they just deserve to have like a prominent place on the kitchen counter because they have just like taken the cute factor to a whole new level. So I'm sitting them in this little pedestal bowl so that they have like a little elevated place of visibility in the kitchen. And then I'm just taking this vase and these Chinese cherry blossoms. Like the great part about these Chinese cherry blossoms is I've only used 3 stems and it looks so fluffy. Like already it looks like it just takes your breath away. So you're already getting that visibility of like that wow factor when people walk into your kitchen with these tall Chinese cherry blossoms. And so you have a beautiful kitchen centerpiece with just a few items. And that's what I wanted to show you guys. Take a tray, take these few decor items, and then you have a gorgeous Easter display ready for spring and to welcome this new season. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and go to the description so you can get all of these products to shop in your own home. And if you are watching on Instagram and TikTok, definitely go down to the caption and learn how you can shop these products and make your home feel more peaceful and clean this spring. So thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.